This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, fog lamps, privacy glass, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and an anti-theft protection system. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.